all of you. Today we continue our chapter the longitude, globes and latitude. Today we start with the longitude. The longitude together with the parallel help us in exact location of the place on the earth's surface. The standover time at a place, as we will learn subsequently, is always calculated with respect to the meridian of longitude. The distance between any two meridians of longitude decrease from the equator to the pole. At the pole, all meridians of longitude converge into midpoints. This is the partition and the valve of the location exact field. Okay, this is the longitude phase. Then comparison between the latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes, they are now as parallel of latitude because they are parallel to each other. बच्चों यहाँ पर जो अक्षांश रेखाएं हैं उसमें जो पैरेलल हम मतलब एक तरीके से कह सकते हैं समानांतर, ठीक है, उन रेखाओं के बारे में ये दोनों एक दूसरे से समांतर रहती है. देन लॉन्गिट्यूड, दे आर कॉल्ड मेरिडियन ऑफ लॉन्गिट्यूड बिकॉज इफ इट इज नून एट एनी प्लेस ऑन अ मेरिडियन it will be noon at place on that meridian. All parallel are full circle. The equator is only great circle represent the circumference of the earth, and the longitude are full circle. They are all of equal length. Okay, equal length रहता है longitude में. They divide the world into three broad temperature zone. जो वर्ल्ड है, दुनिया है, उसे 3 पार्ट्स में टेम्परेचर जोन में बांटा हुआ है. दे डिवाइडेड द वर्ल्ड इनटू स्टैंडर्ड टाइम जोन. ये टाइम जोन के थ्रू, स्टैंडर्ड टाइम जोन के थ्रू दुनिया को काटता है. दे आर ड्रॉन इन ईस्ट वेस्ट डायरेक्शन, दे आर ड्रॉन इन नॉर्थ साउथ डायरेक्शन. द साइज ऑफ लैटिट्यूड progressively decrease from the equator to poles where they are near points. And the longitude, they are of same length, but the distance between any two consecutive line goes on progressively reducing from equator to poles. Equator से सीधा pole. Only equator is the great circle, and longitude, all meridian together with the opposite meridian makes great circles. Okay, that's enough. Here today we stop, because this is the main and very important part of this chapter, comparison between the latitude and longitude. So please learn it very well, and if anything else you have to consult with our next class. Okay, then we continue measuring time. Have you ever had an experience when you call your friend or relative on a Sunday morning at 10 a.m. from India and discover that your friend was asleep on Saturday night in Toronto, where it was 11:30 p.m. Disappointed, you might have next called your cousin Auckland, but he was at the park playing with friends as it was 5:30 p.m. in the evening there. This is a measuring time. You have to read it. For ages, time has been measured by the movement of the earth and the position of the sun in the sky. When the sun is right overhead, it is noon. As the earth rotates, an apparent position of sun changes its shine overhead on each longitude at different times. Therefore, places on different longitude have noon at different times. Accordingly, the time keeps varying from longitude to the longitude. Okay everyone, this is the measuring time. Okay, is it clear? Okay. Local time, all places long a particular longitude have the same time. This is the local time of meridian. It would be the 12 noon at all place on a given longitude when the sun is overhead. For example, Kiruna in North Sweden will have the same local time as the Tirana in Albania, as both are on the same longitude 20 degree east. Okay. Standard time, the time zones. We know the earth rotates. Everybody know the earth is rotated. Okay. Then we know that the earth rotates from west to east and completes one full circle or 360 degree, 180 degree east and 180 degree west on longitude of 24 hours 24 घंटे के अंदर. Therefore, in 1 hour of each rotated. Is it the formula? Please see this. 360 degree oblique 24 is equal to 15 degree. Okay. Further rotated 1 of longitude in the 1 hour upon 15 or 60 minutes upon 15 is equal to 4 minutes. This is the time difference between the longitudes of 4 minutes. But imagine if you had to change the time on your watch every time you travel 1 degree of longitude, there would be utter confusion if you embarked on a long train journey. Therefore, in the late 1870s, Sir Stanford Fleming designed a plane for a worldwide standard time, which is very much the same as the one we have known. For every 15 degree of longitude, we have one time zone. Now there are 360 degree of longitude. Okay everyone, this is the main point of the time zone. So we have 24 time zone in the world. Standard time is the time that the resident of the time zone of the country keep. It is the local time of center of standard meridian. Okay, it is the local time so choose by that country. The standard time zone often follow boundaries that are the agreed upon natural or political boundaries. Observe the map standard time zone given below. Here is a map standard time zone. Okay, some colors and some main points and main cities and main towns are here. Okay everyone, this is the Indian map and this is the standard time zone. Okay everybody, then in India the local time of 82.5 degree eastern meridian has been selected at the standard time. This is now as the Indian standard time or IST. The 82.5 degree east longitude pass through the Allahabad, which lies slowly at the center of the country. The time of local Greenwich meridian is regarded as the standard time for the United Kingdom. It is now as Greenwich Mean Time (GMT). South country Spain across multiple time zones. Russia, Spain across 11 time zones but has grouped them into 8 standard time zones. China has 5 time zones but runs on a single standard meridian. They all are different ways for the time zone. Most probably the Indian standard time is IST 82.5 degree longitude. If the Greenwich meridian is Greenwich Mean Time GMT. Okay, and the Russian Spain for 11 time zone and the China have 5 time zone. Okay everyone, here text yourself, please read it and answer it. Okay, that's all today and stay safe and please follow the guideline. Thank you everyone.